Prestissima here. Today, we're going to practice naming notes on the grand staff. When you're learning to read music on the grand staff, it's important that you practice in different ways. One way to practice is by writing it out on paper, like we did in a previous lesson. Another way is to visualize the staff and the notes in your head. Flashcards can be a good way to drill the notes. And here's another great tool that can help you learn the notes. This is Presto's Grand Staff Assistant. We're going to use Presto's Grand Staff Assistant right now, and we're going to drill some notes. So let's start with the treble clef, right? So this is the G clef, and we know that because this big swoop, this big swirly thing is around this line, right? And this line, the second line from the bottom, is G, right there. That's G. And then, if you were going up the music alphabet, after G would be A. So one step up, see, oops, now we're in that space, that's A. So this line, that's G, and then up one step into the space, that's A, okay? How about if you're going down the music alphabet? So if you were A, you move down and you're back at G. If you're going down the music alphabet, what's before G? That's F, right? So you're gonna go down one step from the line into this space, and that's F. So you have G, and then down one step to F, into the space. If you go back up to the line, that's G, and that is F. So I'm gonna quiz you now, and I'll move this little red marker to G, F, or A. And you tell me which one it is, okay? So, what's this one? G. Okay, how about this space here? F. Okay, and this space up here? A. Okay, how about this space again? F. Okay, this line, do we know this line here? G. Okay, and this space again? F. And this space up here? A. How about this line? That's G. And then this space again? A. And this space down here? F. And this line? G. Space? The space up here? A. How about this space? That's F. And here? G. All right, good work, everyone. Now, let's talk about the bass clef down here, right? Remember we had this cool curvy thing and then kind of looked like an F with these two dots? And the two dots were on either side of this line, which is how we know that this is F, right? It's the second line from the top on this staff, okay? So, let's think about this. If this is F, this is the first F below middle C here. What goes after F if you're going up? So what's after F in the music alphabet? Going up, you go up one step to the space. That's going to be G. Excellent. So you go back down to the line there. That's F. And if you go up one step to the space, that's G. Okay. Now, going back down, we're going to go back to the F. Now, if you're going down the music alphabet, what comes before F in the music alphabet? You're going down now. It's E. So you're going to go down one step from the line to this space, and that's E. So then you're going to go back up. We know that that's F, right? Because it's in between the two dots here. That's F. And if you go down one step into the space, that's E. Okay? So there's F. If you go up a step into the space, that's G. Back down to F. And then what's before F in the music alphabet? So you go down one step, and that's E. Excellent. So now I'm going to quiz you and ask you a bunch of them, and you're going to tell me which one it is, okay? I'll ask you whether it's E, F, or G. All right. Start with an easy one, because we know where that is, right? Okay, that's F. It's on the line. How about this space right above it? G. Okay? Ooh, how about this space down here? E. And then this line, F. And then the space below, it's E. And then that line again, F. Okay? How about the space above it? G. Okay? How about this space below there? E. Okay? And this space again? G. And then this line, we know that one, right? F. Okay? This space again? G. And then, how about that space? E. Okay? Again, G. And then this one again? E. And then right on the line there? F. Excellent job, everyone. Excellent. All right, we're going to go back and do a couple more in the G clef here. So what's this one? G. And then A. G. A. F. A. G. F. G. A. F. A. G. Now we'll do a couple more in the bass clef, or the F clef as well. How about that? All right on the line. What's that? F. Okay. Space. G. How about here? E. Line again. F. E. F. G. F. E. G. E. G. Okay, right on the line again. F. E. G. F. Excellent job, everyone. Another super fun line to learn is middle C. Look at that. It is right in the middle. Who would have thunk, huh? So, if you're going to go up from middle C, you have C, that's on the line, middle C, and then what's after C in the music alphabet? You're going to go up a step, that's D, okay, and going up again, you have E, and then up a step again to the space, you have F, and then what do you know? We have G. That's treble clef G, and that's the first G above middle C. Amazing! Now, what if we go back to middle C here? I love that it's in the middle. So easy to find, right? Okay, so there's middle C. Now, what if we go down, right? We're going to go down, and we remember what comes before C in the music alphabet? Okay, so we're going to go down one step at a time from this middle C line down to this space. What's before C? B, right? And then down a space to the, or down a step to this line, and that's A. And then we're going to go down another step to this space. What comes before A? G. And then look at this. Down one more step, and we're back at bass clef F. Isn't that amazing? I love it, as that's the first F below middle C. Cool, huh? Great job, everyone. Thank you for practicing with me today. And remember, it's also very important to practice writing out all the notes in the clefs. So you can go get yourself some practice papers for free at our website, Presto, it's musicmagicpublishing.com. And I'll go ahead and link it below so you can get there real fast and get practicing. In future videos, we're going to keep practicing and we're going to learn even more notes on the staff. Cool, huh? It was great hanging out with you, and I'll see you all